Borobudur in Java, Indonesia, an episode of series, Asia's 12 Most Amazing Holy Temples and Sacred Pilgrimage Sites. Getty Images. Indonesia's top visitor attraction is Borobudur, a 1,200-year-old temple city. These 9th-century ruins on the island of Java are the largest Buddhist monument in the world. In fact, by some measures, Borobudur is the biggest religious structure on the planet. Pilgrims and visitors ascend Borobudur via 3 levels of paths, ramps, and stairwells. The 3 levels correspond to the Buddhist universe, from the underworld to enlightenment. Each level is laden with Buddhist statues and stone friezes. Borobudur was abandoned centuries after its construction. Some theories why: civil wars between Hindus and Buddhists, Java's conversion to Islam, earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Borobudur was lost for hundreds of years, covered by jungle. It was discovered in the 1800s and dug out by Dutch colonists from the East India Company.